Right, so guys, let's go back to this question. We're trying to work out the what the input will be if 81 was the output. I could see a lot of hands. Does that mean you guys have worked it out?
Yes. I worked the question out.
Yeah. Yes, Tricia?
Can I solve the question?
Yes, please tell us what to do.
So what you do is 3 plus 81 divided by 4.
Okay, so we do 81 plus 3, and that makes 84. All right?
Then 84 divided by 4, and that gave you 21. So 21 is your answer for N.
That's 20.
Yeah, definitely.
21. How many of you got 21? How many of you got 21? Isabella, did you get 21?
I didn't get the time to work it out.
You didn't get time to work it out. Zoe, you didn't get 21 or you didn't work it out?
I didn't work it out. I was still writing the question and I took a lot of time drawing my table. Same.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't real real.
But how many of you understood how to get 21? How many of you understood how to get 21? Very now, that's not even the best part of the question. The best part of the question is question A. It says, what is the smallest value of N that makes that Sean gets a formula value above 200? What is the smallest value of N to make sure that Sean gets a value above 200? Now, guys, what is the smallest number above 200? What's whole number above 200? Yes, yes, yes. Who is thinking? Who is thinking? Who is thinking? Nathaniel, what is the smallest whole number above 200?
201.
201. Can you give Nathaniel a big round of applause? Give Nathaniel.
Mr. Michael,
Yes.
there are a few people in class that don't get the question.
I'm just listen. Okay.
Question.
We can't hear it unless he's breaking out or not.
Okay, guys, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes, guys, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so just asking, what is the smallest value of N which makes that Sean gets a formula value above 200? For us to know that value, we need to know the smallest number above 200. So what is the number above 200?
301. You know, above
201. We take as 201. So guys, let's take the output as 201. Output is 201. So everybody work back from 201 to tell me the value of N you would get. Work back from 201. Let me see the value of N you will get. Everyone work back from 201. Yes, sir.
Do we need to use the same formula method? Yes.
Yes, the same formula. So you work back this time around, all right?
Okay.
Emma, do you have an answer for me?
Yeah. I don't get any of it. I don't get how I got 45. I don't get how I got 21, and I don't know how to work it out.
Same.
It's just really confusing.
I didn't know she was not. I was like, oh. I'm not.
Pardon?
Mr. Michael, she said that she doesn't get how she got 41, 21. And I wanted to say the same.
Can you, Sarah, talk to me.
I don't get any of it. I don't get how I got 45. I don't get how I got 45. I don't get how we're supposed to work it out. It's just really confusing.
Function machine, Sarah.
Pardon?
Have you forgotten our function machine?
No, that's the same thing.
We have input
You see, it's minus.
and it times by 4.
Guys, get to the spin.
Did you say?
Our function machine, Sarah.
Yes.
Input, we times by 4, then we take away 3, then it gives us the output. Remember this, Tara?
What's Mr. Michael?
So, Tara, if the input is n, would have, if the input is n, that would be 4 times n, take away 3. Now, the output is 81. Remember, we need to work back, right?
Yeah.
Work back by first adding 3, right? And that makes 84. Then divide by 4. And that gives 40. It's 41, not 45, guys. 41.
Mr. Michael, I don't understand.
You don't understand what?
Like how to get the answer to the question. You're making it look.
What did you say, Bella?
I don't understand how to get the answer for 201.
You don't know how to get 201. Okay, I want you to read this question out loud, Isabella. Read question B out loud.
What is the smallest value of n, which means that Sean gets a formula above 200.
Okay, so we want to know the value of n that would be the input. A number above 200. Then I ask, what is the smallest whole number above 200? Isabella.
200.1.
What is the smallest whole number above 200? Isabella.
201.
201. So we take the output as 201. Then you work back to get the value of n. Yes, Gracie, you're correct. All right. Did you understand the question now?
That's all.
So, any of you done working it back?
Yeah.
Oh, what's the answer?
51.
51.
One. How many of you got 51? How many of you got 51? Raise your hand if you got 51. Okay, Neriah, Isaac, Naomi. Nathaniel, you didn't get 51? Huh? Nathaniel, you didn't get 51? Huh? So let's work it back from 201. Add 3. Yes, Naomi.
Can I please go refill my water?
Okay, go get water. That is 204. Then you divide 204 by 4.
Thank you.
That would be 51. So the answer is 51. So how did you get 51?
Pardon?
Oh, Hannah did not get 51.
What did you say?
You did not get 51, right, Sarah?
You didn't get it. Yes.
I still don't get it.
We can't, you do get the right answer.
Divide
I don't know why we have to add by 3, but it says.
F, what's it?
Go toilet, please.
Okay, make it quick. All right, let's divide 4 by 4. So, Tahara, how many times can 4 divide 2, Tahara?
0,
0. So you add the 2 here. So how many times will 4 divide 20?
5,
Times. Is there a remainder? Is there a remainder?
no,
No. So how many times will 4 divide 4?
1.
Once. So that's 51. Does it make sense now, Tara?
Yeah, I just don't know how we got 101. I mean, 201.
I've explained.
So the smallest value of 2.
What is the number that is more than 200? Tara?
It's alright, I get it now.
Okay, very good. So we say the smallest number more than 200 is 201. Then you want that. Let's copy down this question. Now, Alexia tries to complete a table of value for the formula n squared plus 1. Sean each calculates their values for when n equals 11. What is the difference between their values? Remember, Sean's formula, Sean Alexia's formula is n squared plus 1. Now, guys, I need you to work out what will, yes? I need you to check out what will happen if the value of n is 11 for both. So you calculate for Alexia, you calculate for Sean, and then you work out the difference.
It's open. I'll just.
Can everyone see?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so calculate for Sean, calculate for Alexia when n equals 11. Let's see what your answer would be.
Oh.
Yes, Grace?
I got the answers.
You got the answers? Okay. Yes, Naraya. Sorry, you was up.
What does it mean when the 2 are
Square.
Pardon?
That is square. When you have 3 to the power of 2, it means 3 times 3.
Okay, thank you.
Though you want to say
I'm done with both of them.
the difference.
Okay, so
What is the difference between their values? So, yeah, you tell us what the value of Alexia's formula is. Naraya F, you tell us the value of Sean's answer. Then Zoe, you tell us the difference.
what about Alexa?
Naraya F, you tell us Sean's value. Then Zoe, you tell us the difference. All right. So, Naraya F, what is that? Sean, Naraya F, what's Sean's value?
41.
No. Okay. Fadila, what was Alexia's value?
I got 122.
122. So, Zoe, what's the difference?
Difference is 81. Good job.
122 away 41. You said the difference is what?
81. Good job.
How many of you got 81? How many of you got 81? Oh, give yourself a round of applause. Give yourself a round of applause. Give yourselves a round of applause. Are you afraid to clap for yourselves?
Not the achievements.
Right, so the next we would consider now is a function machine. That function all of matters in algebra. Yes, Tahara, what's it?
Can I remind you of break time?
Can you what?
Can I remind you of break time?
You want to have your break.
What?
You say
Can
you
I remind you of break time?
okay. Break the break in 12 minutes. So break that's what's the Zoe.
About 15 minutes. No.
Let's talk about machines, all right? Let's get out of the math clinic. Let's talk about function machines, all right? A mathematician invented a formula machine, and it's as follows. Your number, take off 3, you multiply by the original number. Subtract 12 times the original number and add 40. This is a very, very complex machine. All right? So I want you to, what does a function machine do? It enters into, from the starting, command, carries the next command, and it keeps going until the answer. So there's an example here on the screen. So if the starting number is 20, the starting number is 20, all right? The next thing is to take off 3. 20 take away 3, and that is 17. Then the next thing is to multiply by the original number. What was the original number, guys? 17 times 20. So that is 340. Then you subtract 12 times the original number. What was the original number again? That's 20. So 12 times 20 is 240. So you do the answer here, 340, take away 240. That is 100. And it says add 40 plus 40. So the answer is 140. The answer is 140. Now, this machine is a machine. How many of you understand the working of the example? How many of you?
I don't understand the last one. I don't understand the last one. subtract 12 times the original number. I don't understand that. How can you subtract the original number?
Subtract 12. So like 12 times 20, subtract that.
Mr. Michael,
Take the working of the machine again.
I don't understand the third one. No. Mr. Michael, I don't understand how you can subtract 12 times from the original number. Because the original number can't go in it 12 times because it'll be negative numbers. No.
Let's take the function.
The original number.
So subtract 12. Yeah, so 12 times 20. Subtract that number you have.
Times that number. Then you minus it by 3. So you turn it to 20 and you do that by, oh, okay. I get it.
Let's take it again. The number is 20. Number is
Yes, I think so.
so we do 23 is 17. So you multiply by the original number. We multiply 17 by the original number, which is 20, and that gives 340. So that's the original number. 12 times the original number is 240. All right? Gabriela, you're not now. Eyes on this, Gabriela. 12 times the original number is 240. We are subtracting 240 from 340. So that is 340. 340 subtract 12 times the original number, which is 240. Answer is 100.
Oh.
It
So
is
technically, 12 times 23, and you subtract that from that number, the number we just made.
so, guys, this is what we are going to do. We are going to work this out together. We're going
That's
to
what you want, son.
so let's work this out together, everyone. Yes, Trisha, what's Trisha, what's it?
Is this algebra?
Algebra.
Because you were saying that all the questions we're taking were going to be algebra.
Algebra.
Pardon? We didn't hear that.
It is algebra. It is algebra.
Because in algebra, it has missing numbers and this happens.
Yes, Gabriela?
I've already worked out the question for question for A.
Okay, so let's work it out together as a group. So the starting number now is 23. So we start with 23, take away 3. It says you should take off 3, and that makes 20. Then next it says we should multiply by the original number. Multiply 20 by the original number. So let's multiply 20 by the original number. Original number is 23. 20 times 23 is 460. All right? Then it says we should subtract 12 times the original number. 12 times the original number is what? Everyone, what is 12 times 23? What is 12 times?
23 is 460.
Right, and 200 and what?
460, and then 12 times 23, that's 276. You're correct.
What times 12, guys?
276.
276.
Yeah. That's what I got.
Yeah, definitely.
All right. Now subtract. You subtract, what did you get? This is for take away. So if you take away 7, that is A, and 3 take away this, that is 1. Left with 184. So
No, I left it simple.
add 40.
Yeah.
That is 220.
Yes.
The answer is
This is the easy one.
Not easy, because you have to do like, if you miss one step out, then the whole answer's off. Yes, so it's not like this.
You already know what you need to do, like.
Yeah, but if you do one mistake,
It's
you'll
not
lose your
just
whole number.
What's
So
the
you always have
always
it.
I do. Jeffrey, that's not Jeffrey and I didn't even have bread.
okay. So everyone, what I want you to do now, take the number as 15. Take the starting number as 15. What? Yeah. What would be the starting number is 15. Everyone work it out, but Joshua, you will be the one to work out the question for us. Well, everyone work it out in your book.
Wait, what? I just get the same number. You want 20 to be?
I don't understand how I can do 20 times 24.
20. Oh, come on.
How did I get?
How many of the place by increment another 0?
The starting number is now 15, not 20 anymore.
But I'm still trying to work out the one we did so I can write it in my book. But I really don't understand how you got 224. Because I'm really stuck on the bit where you have to do 20 times 23.
Oh, we do you know how to do 2 times? Oh, that's probably right.
Sorry, are you with me?
Yes, Mr. Michael.
Study the machine together. Let us right, Zoe, let's study the machine together. Are you ready, Zoe? The number is 23. All right. So what's the first thing you do to 23, Zoe?
Take off 3.
Okay. 3 from 23. What is it?
20.
This box, the answer is 20. Zoe?
Mr. Michael, please can I quickly go to the toilet? Please, it's in
Me?
Pardon?
Are you with me?
Yes, but Mr. Michael, please can I quickly go to the toilet?
You can't wait for us to finish working this? Okay, everyone. Oh, it's 10:30. So let's go on break. Everyone, let's go on break. To be back by 10:40.
You have to decide those are
Only and every other person will understand. The starting number is 23. So what's the first thing to do? Yes, what's the first thing to do, Zoe?
Michael, you said we can't make any noise. The reason why it's me speaking is I don't want to stand up.
Okay, you're speaking now, and I didn't ask you to stand up. when I direct a question to you, you are exempted from the instruction. So Zoe, what is the next thing to do?
You have to take away 3.
Take away 3. So when we take away 3, what will be the answer in this first box?
20.
20. Isabella,
Yes, Uncle.
good. What is the next instruction in the next box according to the machine?
Multiplied by an original number.
What are we multiplying by the original number, Zoe?
Do we need to do 20 times 23?
Yes, the answer from this box. The answer from this box is what we multiply by the original number. So that is 20 times 23. So the answer here is 460.
Oh.
Now it says subtract. You start with the symbol subtract. Subtract, that is minus 12 times the original number. What is 12 times the original number, Zoe? 12 times, original number is 23. So times 12, that is 276. So that answer is 184.
12, 1, 2, 3. So if you take
So Zoe, are we together?
the answer I got was 156.
You got 156?
Yes.
It cannot be 156. Let's 460. Take away 276. Borrow one here. That is 10 take away 6 is 4. It remains 5 here. Oh, you borrow one from here. That is 15. Right?
No, Michael, I meant 23 times 12.
If you do it, you still get the symbol. So
It says 6, 4, 3, and 2. It is 276. It is 276.
yeah, so you get the symbol.
Now, Zoe,
No.
come on, multiply 23 by 12.
I don't understand how you work out the question. I don't understand the last, the multiply the original number and subtract 12 times the original number. I get stuck on that there.
Oh, but you just said you understood now. You remember what we multiply by 20 to get 416? Huh? Yes or no?
23.
23 times 20, that's what it says, multiplied by the original number. That is, we times the answer of this box by the original number. Then we have 460. Then the next box says, subtract 12 times original number. Subtract the 12 times from the previous answer. So whatever you will do next, you do it on the previous answer.
So the total answer is 360.
Huh?
So the total answer is 316.
360?
1616.
316.
Yeah,
Oh, you did 12 times 23?
yeah.
12 times 23 is 276, not 316.
No, I meant the total answer at the end when you add 40, and then that gives you 316.
You added 40 to 276, but you are supposed to take away, see, subtract.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's what you're taking it away from 460, which will be 184. So it is 142, which will be 224.
I got 184, so that plus 40 equals 224.
Yes, you want to answer the question for us now? Joshua?
Should I still work out the 15?
Yes, please.
You do 15 minus 3, which is 12.
So everyone pay attention. Joshua is working out the question for us when they have 15. So
15 minus 3 is 12.
minus 3 is 12, okay?
12 times 15 is 300.
Multiply by original number. So that is 12 times the original number 15, which is what?
300.
300. So what's the next thing?
You do 300 minus 15 minus 12, minus 15 times 12 is 300, which is 0. And then 0 plus 40 is 40.
So that is 40. 0 plus 40. So the answer is 40. How many of you got 40? Everyone take down this question. So we're going to be machine to this out.
That's exactly what I just.
Okay, so
That would give you 0.
sure.
Mr. Michael,
Yes.
I wrote down the question and I found the answer as well.
Happy.
Let's try the question now.
Yes.
To work out question, the simplest pattern. We just construct a function machine. We construct a function machine. So this is how it goes. David thinks of a number. So the number
Okay.
David thinks of a number. He divides the number by 2. So the first thing he does is divide by he divides the number by 2.
Yeah,
Not by. After dividing the number by 2, and add 1. then he has an output. Guys, I want everyone put down this function machine this way. So this will be the pattern we'll be using to solve questions like this. This will be the pattern we'll use in solving questions like this. Yes, what's there?
Can I go to the toilet, please?
Just came back from break.
He said we just came back from break. Literally did, so.
Guys, now 41. The answer is 41. Let us find what his original number is. The answer is 41. Let's find out what the original number is. So that means the output is 41. From the output, remember, we need to walk back. So from the output, what's the first thing to do? Naomi, what's the first thing to do from the output? Yes, Naomi, can you hear me? Unmute yourself.
Sorry. No, I couldn't hear you before, but now I can because you were breaking up before.
So what do we do?
So, we get this 20 to 10. And then we also.
Naomi, Naomi, can you hear me?
Sorry, my internet keeps on going out.
We need to walk back, all right? We need to walk back. The last thing done to the function machine was to add 21. So we walk backwards. So the first thing we do is take away 21. Take away 20. So everyone, what is 41? Take away 20. 41, take away 21, what would that be? Sahara?
Yes, Mr. Michael.
What is 41? Take away 21.
I got 20.
Oh, that is 20. Then divide by 5. What is the reverse of divide by 5? Jaden, what's the reverse of divide by 5?
Multiplication.
So we times by 5. So guys, what is 20 times 5? What is 20 times 5? Yes, Tricia, what is 20 times 5?
100, so your answer is 100.
The answer, the number, original number is 100. Those of you who worked this question before me, how many of you got 100? Oh, you guys just exposed yourself. So you've working my questions before me.
Mr. Michael, I only did this one because it was a bit easy.
It was more than easy.
So here is the question, guys. Here is
What? Oh, it's
Number 9.
Why is this so many? It was always 15. What? Wait, what? What?
Since you like to ask my questions before me, here are 3 questions. You must copy down before working it out. You must copy down each question before working it out. Isabella, when we're doing the correction, you will work out the first one. Isaac, you work out the second one. Jojo, you work out the third one. Isabella, let me write it out. Isabella, this is going to be yours. Isabella, this is big. Copy down each question before working it, and I'm giving you 6 minutes to do that. Copy out the second one, you work it out.
The first one you have to write down which number 10.
Okay, you have 5 more minutes. You have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
That's more than enough. That's one's two. That's then the answer is 15. You're saying the answer.
Huh?
That equals. Oh, that's.
Mr. Michael, I can't see anything.
It's almost smoking there, but I just. I can't show the window because if they shut the window, you open it.
Mr. Michael, he's already done that. Maybe just until it goes through, open it.
Now,
Stop it.
Let the smoke out then. These are such keep drinking.
Mr. Michael, I can't see anything.
get the screen. You see, in the
Pardon?
First of all, because we're not in school, because I'm last year, but obviously the parents was live. So when we found out,
What is the 22nd?
that I get to go to a birthday party and I'm gonna see some of my friends. Yes, all, so mainly all of the friends she's inviting are from.
screen now.
That's nice.
Mr. Michael, can I join on my iPad?
Yes. Yeah.
So yes.
That's it.
Can I get water, please?
Thank you. Plus 9, watch.
No, you want to come on.
Bless you. I don't know how to do that.
You've got 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes, 2 more minutes. Look, you see the screen? Eden Grace, can you see the screen now?
Yes, Mr. Michael.
Okay, you should turn your video so we can see you too.
Oh, you can't see me.
No. One more minute. 1 more minute.
That's correct, and double check. No, no.
Let me see your hand up if you're done. Let me see your hand up if you're done. Okay, Tara is done. Isaac is done. Jojo is done. Jaden is done. Joshua is done. Naraya, you is done. Is done.
He's actually really tricky.
So I'm just gonna read this.
All right, 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21.
18.5, 17.5, 16.5,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1.5, 1, 0.5, 0.2,
0.1,
0.11, 0.09, 0.08, 0.07, 0.05, 0.04.
So,
Hey,
Isabella, I need you to work out question 1 for us using the function. Okay? So, Josh, may please unmute the class. Their noise has muted the class. Josh, please unmute the class. Okay, tell us what to do.
So first, you will need to write out your function machine.
Okay, inputs or the number. First thing is add 3. Then, oh, the result is 7. Very easy. Result.
So it says that it adds 3. So but we need to work backwards. So instead of adding 3, you'll subtract 3. So 7 subtract 3 is 4. So your answer is 4. And if you want to check your work, you can do 4 plus 3, which equals 7. So you know your answer is correct.
Result is 7. Okay. Okay, we want to talk about, so you said the answer is what? We take the 3, right? So the answer is. How many of you got to as your answer?
Yes.
And Steve and
Correct.
oh, that's
Huh? Okay, so it's 10. I'm just doing 4 minus 7.
okay. Isaac. Isaac.
Another round.
Isaac.
Yes.
Yes.
First, you put the input sheet. Then the input sheet.
Okay.
You put times 2 and add 9. And the result is 15.
Time then the results output.
Yeah.
Okay, so what happens if the output is 15? So what's the first thing to do? Okay,
You find
add 5, add 9.
and
What?
3. You put 3 inside the times 2. Because 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 and 9 is 15.
Okay, if you walk back, we take away 9 first. Take away 9. So if you take 9, that would be 6. Then 2. Divide by 2. So the answer is 3. How many of you has your answer? How many of you has your answer?
Oh yeah, sorry, yeah.
Your answer is number 2. Oh, you want how did you get?
I got 12.
How did you get 12? You didn't walk back?
I did, but somehow I got 12.
No. Check your mistake by yourself, Zoe. Check your mistake. Hey, you did not divide, you didn't do the opposite of times 2. You did times 2.
Yeah, you did.
You did the Zoe, you were supposed to do the opposite of multiply by 2 because we're working backwards. So you're supposed to divide by 2, not times by 2. Isabella, did you get the answer correctly?
Yes, Uncle.
Ara, did you get the answer correctly?
Yes, Uncle.
Jojo, your next question is next.
So you need to do the inverse. So you do 72 divided by 8, which is 9, and then you do 9 take away 5, which is 4. So your answer is 4.
You know, I don't being lazy. All right, so let's do the process. The machine says the input, the first thing to the input is add 5. Add 5. Then multiply. You times 8. You times by 8, then it gives you your output. So Jojo, walking back now. So what did you say we do first, Jojo?
72 divided by 8, which is 9.
Okay, so that would be 9.
And
Right.
then
So
9 take away 5, which is 4.
Is false.
Right, that was. Read it. And you could say it.
So you didn't score? What did you get? What did Zoe get?
She got 6.
What did you do to get 6, Zoe?
She said she doesn't know.
Oh, no, Zoe, I wouldn't take that. Now, eyes on the screen, look at what is on the screen and look at what you did and tell me what you did not do. Did you do 72 divided by 8? Huh?
So speak on hands.
Zoe, talk to me, come on. Did you do 72 divided by 8? Zoe.
She said she didn't.
No, I need her to speak up. So what did you do? What was the first thing you did, Zoe? Huh? I can't hear you, Zoe. Come on.
I got 72 divided by 8. But then
So when you did 72 divided by 8, what did you get?
9.
9. So what's the next thing you're supposed to do? The function machine says add 5. But since you are working backwards, so what is 9? Did you take away 5? Huh?
This one's running out of time. Just guess.
Mr. Michael,
Huh?
she didn't work it out. That's the problem.
You did it in your mind?
I think we can.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no, now Zoe, come on, take down the question and work it out. That was the instruction.
Next slide. Well, I didn't have any else time, so I just guessed.
You just guessed. Okay. Zoe, you can do this thing now. Why do you have to guess?
Because I was running out of time.
I'm going to get another question. Here is another question. Zoe, you want to work out the correction. So guys, take down this question and work it out. Question and work it out, please. Everyone take down the question. Just sure you're not doing anything. So Zoe, you'll be the one to work this question out for us. So give you at your best. Grace, talk to me. Eating Grace. One more, please.
Mr. Michael, did you call me?
Yes, Mr. Hand was up.
Oh no, I was just stretching.
Zoe, are you done working this out?
Yes.
What is it? You'll be able to have this question. So I think of a number, double it, then add 5. The result minus 15. Okay, because of the minus, okay? So you walk back. Minus, what would that be? What is minus 15 minus 5? Huh?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. Then double it. Instead of doubling, what's the reverse of doubling?
You divide it
By what?
by 2.
Minus 20 by 2. What would you get?
Minus 10.
Why are you still upset?
So I didn't get any of the questions correct. How's L?
Yeah, I got minus 10.
I got minus 5.
Yeah, minus 5.
It's minus 5. So if you double, you get 10, and you add 5, you get minus 15.
No, so minus 15. Take away from it.
Minus 20 divided by 2 minus.
Minus 5.
What's minus? That's minus 5. It's not minus 10. It's minus 5.
Zoe, okay, let's work it out together. I think we are getting it twisted. I think of a number. So the then you add 5 to it. And then the result is minus 15. Output now is negative 15. Going your answer is negative 15. So going back, you take away 5. So negative 15, take away 5. That's negative. Right? Now, doubling. Divide.
It's a negative.
Oh, yeah. So I didn't now I put it out.
So that is negative 10. So the number is negative 10.
You get 20, and you 20, you get 25. That's minus 25. Oh no, minus 5 is a bigger number. Nothing to the right one. Oh,
Minus 15.
because it's more than number
Minus 15 minus 5.
Bigger than minus 5. I don't get it.
Minus 20.
I don't get it.
That's it.
No, I thought it was funny. Not further away from 0. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, push it. Further away is smaller. Oh, it's just the opposite way. Oh. And there's 20 and then. So minus 50. I still don't get it.
There's no way it's the rules.
Can everyone hear me now?
Yes, so can you-
Yeah.
So sorry. Are we cool now?
You could say.
Yeah, what's it? Miss Marco, you didn't catch it. She didn't catch what you said.
Calculate it.
She said, are you cool now? I'm just, that's why I have more. We're still at minus 25. The output wouldn't be minus 15. Instead of minus 25. But you did minus 5, but minus 10.
What's minus 15 minus 5?
That's 10.
Yeah.
Minus
Minus
20.
15
And then,
minus 20, yeah.
and then you divide it by 12. You don't double it, you divide it because there's
20 divided by 2
10.
is minus 10. That's it. That's why it's gonna be there.
I think of the number.
Huh?
Treated by 12. I don't know, questions to just make me. I know, I don't understand how you do mine.
It's just when you just need to remember when you're working backwards. When you're working backwards, you have to do the inverse for everything instead.
Basically, so I think about it like temperatures. So minus 15 is minus 20, and which one's called minus 20? So that one's
You probably get it wrong because you do one thing in inverse, but then you do the other. It's yours.
I know it's not enough. Can I take out the explanation?
Take
You
question,
can.
the answer. Everyone take on this question. This
Oh, sorry. 11.7. I think. No, that part. It's really important. It's not really that good. It's all funny in that one. Yes. So not the best thing.
one more minute, one more minute. Minute.
It's too far. It really is, especially. Yes, it is. Yeah. No, that's not even. Don't know about yourself. I'm gonna bring the decimals. I thought we were making this one. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing that. Then there's no concentration. Hey, it was really much. I don't know. Zero.
Okay. Need to work this question for us. I need you to work out this question for us. Jaden, I need you to work out this question for us.
So you have to write your function machine first.
So, input. Time. Then take away 5. And the answer is 23. Okay, so what would that be?
So first you need to do 23 added 5, which will give you 28.
Plus 5. That would be 28.
Then you need to do 28 divided by 8. That's the part that column.
Okay, that would give you improper fraction. So that makes so what would this be? What's 20 divided by 3? You can take the answer as 28 divided by 3, or you take it as decimal, which would be 3, or you take 1 over Anyhow, you put your answer, any of these three is correct. Correct.
No, I can get how it's 9.3.
Yes,
How is it 9.3?
You're doing this to me, so if you can't do 28 divided by 3, you just
But why is it not, but why is it 9.1?
one. Oh, that is one. You had a you had a denominator and decimal.
I'm not.
You are, you have to.
Please explain how it's cheating.
I put a decimal point twice.
Please don't change, please don't change.
Mr. John, I didn't change that. It'll be your fault, like, you know, so I was just putting that name down. If you change it, it'll be your fault, like, you don't understand the issue. I haven't wrote anything.
You can't cheat in the 11th class, just.
It-
Yeah.
it's good.
Oh,
That-
yeah.
no.
This. Mr. Is it 9.5? If it's 9.3, can you choose the cheapest?
No, a robot wants to go
I got 1.1.
All right, everyone, this is the last part of this part.
I got 9.
Can everybody say?
Mario's correct.
How do you get that one? Just because you have it.
Talking there. Who are those? Yeah, who are those?
Alright, please.
35 and then we'll just. Like it.
Yeah, I think.
What is it?
Well, let's look at this question. This question falls under the category of logical reasoning. Now, everyone, let's look at this question. I need your attention, everyone. If you're not paying attention, it's really not going to be fun, right?
Yes.
On the cards below,
Yes, please.
and each has the same value, right? So, on each card, the total value of Zoe, can Zoe hear me?
Yes,
Fine. Have a go of the section. So I would explain those questions, how you're not what you're doing correctly. Explain to you. That makes sense, Zoe? At the end of the session, you and I will go over those questions again. Does that make sense, Zoe?
Yeah.
I think so.
He said after the session, you go over the questions.
Is that okay? Zoe? All right, so you remain in the you remain upstairs. You and I will take our room, go over them together. Right? Is that okay, Zoe? So now let's come back here. Now, this question is categorized under the logical reasoning. Let's have to find out what the answer is likely going to be. Let's look at this. 3 states and clubs add up to 27. Then 8 and 2 clubs add up to 20. Let's check out something very interesting. So let me try to a drawing of the club. Okay. So this is one club. This is another club. Then 2 spades. So 2 spades and 2 clubs equals 20. Also, use 2 clubs. Spade. Equals 27. Logically reason this. Everyone watch this. It's quite easy.
Actually, I just figured that out.
Huh? You say?
Yeah, you're right.
I just copied out the drawings. So we've not done anything.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see this. 2 clubs make 20. Then 2 clubs and 3 spades make 27. Let's see this, right? If you notice, 2 clubs are common to both. So let's say something, take away. Zoe, I need your attention on the screen. I've assured you we're going to work out those questions. This one, I have not done anything. I just drew out the diagrams. Yes, what's this, Zoe?
I told Mr. Justin answer and he said it's correct.
Huh?
I told Mr. Josh the answer and he said it's correct.
The answer to what?
To the question that we're just working out.
Okay. All right, Tahara, what's it?
Oh no, it's stretching.
Okay, just stretching. So guys, now let's cross out the common thing. The club will cross out the club. One spade gets rid of another spade. One spade gets rid of another spade. So we've crossed out 2 spades and 2 clubs, which is 20. We're left with 1 spade. So if you take it from here, what is the value of the spade? So spade is 7.
Oh, that's quite easy. That was really easy.
This is another 7. Is what?
What do you mean? Yeah, I just like that.
Take away 13 from 20. What is left? 6. Each club is 3, 3. So let's confirm the second diagram. 3, 3, 7, 7, 7. Check if it adds up to 27. Everyone? 7?
Yeah, you know that's green one.
Everyone, check if this adds up to 27.
It does.
3 plus 7. It adds up to 27, right? That means club is 6. Club is. Yes, what is it, Isabella?
I don't get it.
You did it, right?
Because she doesn't get it.
You don't get it. Okay, so let's take it again. Let's take it again. Nathaniel, go get water, please. Yes, Naomi, what's there?
Pardon?
Naomi, what's there?
I had a different method which was much easier.
Okay. It's okay. Let's work it out again. Again. It's okay. The 4 clubs are, sorry, 2 clubs and 2 spades gives us 20. And 2 clubs and 3 spades give us 27. So our assignment is to find out the value of each club. Now let's check out. Can we remove the 2 clubs and 2 spades from this together? Let's cross out everything in this 20. Let's take it out from here. So everything here is 20. Did you see that, Isabella? So if we take away 20 from 27, we are left with what? 7. Isabella? So if this is 7, this is 7, this is 7. If you take away 21 from 27, you are left with 6. And it says each club has the same value. So this is 6, this is 3, and this is 3. So each club is 3. Very easy. In Grace, you may go to the toilet. Everyone try this out. Everyone try this out. Huh?
I don't understand. There's 2 things. I really know, like, how you gonna play? I just started writing in the.
What are you saying, Isabella?
I don't understand.
You don't understand.
I don't see how you got 3.
3. Pursue how these 3 become 7, right?
Yeah.
So what do you get? Isabella, add the 7 together, what do you get?
21.
Just when you just saw it.
Add the 7s together, what do you get?
21.
1. 21 from 27, what is
Oh, I get it now.
it down together?
Yes, Uncle, thank you.
Check side.
Okay. When was 13? I probably told the first one. Oh, it's still the question. And the shirt equals 5.
Melody.
No, Mr. Michael.
Trisha, what's the
Can I solve the question?
let me see your hand up.
Can I solve the question?
Trisha, you will work out the question later. But if you've got up,
As in, what is triangles like? How what value is triangle and what value is set?
Oh, that's simple.
You're trying to get past.
Very confusing. I don't know what
It's three triangles and two circles is 16. And then 3 circles and 2 triangles is 21.
So you put the value of the triangle on the circle together. Okay, my question would be. I don't understand. The value of the default is
Yeah, so
Wait.
to get it, you have to find what circle it is, and you have to find what triangle it is. Give it the after this 3 triangles and after this 2 circles.
Okay, I can get it. I got the question.
You said this.
Trisha, what is the answer?
This. Mr. Michael. Because.
I don't get it.
Power and
Let's do silence. Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael.
Yes, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. A lot of people don't understand the question you just written.
I don't understand. Mr. George.
Okay, Josh.
Because it works with it went up with the second one. It went up with the second one. I can only get 12.
Can I go to the payment, please?
On my first method it works for 16. And the other one works for 5. It's not going on. I don't know.
Class,
When you triangle and you form something 4 then the circles are 2, so that'll be 16. And then I do the second one, and 2 triangles, then you have 3 there, which should give you 12.
Josh, what did you say did not understand?
Yeah, Tahara doesn't understand.
I don't,
It's practically the whole class.
It's not, it's really not.
I've been looking over my book. I know. But she's right. She kept on like going to look at my book.
So it's can't accept that.
I wasn't looking at his book.
Well, if it says you were.
Cause you just said that,
I'm reason
why
not
is it,
tonight.
and you said I was the whole time, I was just joking.
She's also shouting out the other ones to people.
And she did show someone her answers, and she, no,
Trisha, till the end of the lesson, could you stand up?
and she keeps saying really easy when it comes to her like.
Guys, there are three triangles and one and two circles to make 16, right? And there are two circles and two triangles to make 21. Check out what is common.
That's 19. Close, but, yeah.
One triangle times one triangle, another triangle, one times another.
So we concentrate.
Yeah. Working it out.
What are you left with, guys? You're left with a triangle and a circle. And what's the difference between 21 and 16? 5.
Oh, that's easy. Is that what you said? It was not easy. That easy.
You just got the.
And then you just subtract it. No, that was Mr. Michael. I was so close because I thought it was for one of the symbols. But it's for wow.
Maybe you're going to, I don't know if you guys are going to do that.
Oh, this is so confusing. Is it still confusing? Trisha was saying it's easy. And then like,
Yeah.
what did you get,
It's fine.
Trisha? What did you get? 5.1.
Yeah.
You get 51.
That's all method is the only one. Because there is another way to do it, but it's no way near your. You already get 5, but it's no way near your.
What is the technically is it? I don't think it's a good idea we should do that.
No. Forget I.
Yeah, I'm not technically, but the other way. We're all technically.
No, it's like a.
Can you explain?
I'm asking my books. There's no
Trust me, you won't be able to.
There's no point.
Michael,
Yes.
can I please go to the toilet?
I like this. Yeah. I know what these are.
I can't see you.
The,
Pardon?
Padilla,
Yes, Mr. Michael?
toilet. Everyone try this out. It's so easy. So,
Write down the questions. Yeah.
no, just write the answer.
Down the questions.
Answers. Don't write the question, just the answers.
And I don't know what the answer is. No. Uncle Michael, Mr. Brush. What was the third one? Can there be like different answers? I don't think so. Because they each stand for a particular number, so there's nothing else. Wait, what? They're different?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, each symbol is different.
All between some.
And you
yes,
know
one
what your
triangle
symbol
is
is.
the same.
That for the first one, each triangle is the same.
Oh, that's. I would so I think it's the first one's so it moves.
The first one, you can get the second.
Yeah.
Because it's got the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I just said myself, but it's.
Yeah, it's, yeah, not it's easy, but it's
Slightly tricky, but less complicated than.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. Cause that was, I was kind of shocked how easy that was. Interesting. Yeah, that's how Mr. Michael did it. No, he would do it complicated.
Minus no.
It's nice. On the first one. It's just like it. You're doing it funny. I know. Each of them is it. But hey, it's not as you for the others. You might be the smart to do it. Yeah, you're very smart. You might be smarter than me.
year 3.
Definitely. Me now. I don't know if that's right or not.
Oh, what's that actually?
Are you still alive? Well, anyways, I don't know what that question is.
Wait, I think I did a mistake.
Oh, I have to speak.
Oh, it's 17, not 18, not 17.
What you get is, yeah, I'll just copy it.
Equals smiley.
Yeah, yeah. You're meant to carry it, yeah.
So, I don't like much more nothing. I
Yeah.
don't like really anything, but so every 20.
Okay, I got it.
Take away that number, and then- Yeah,
Are you
26
not-
take away that number.
Are you allowed to half it? Like, number 3, like say 3.5, 3.5. I think they're all holding.
Obviously, this is something times 3 to get 27, so.
No, this one,
Oh, that one.
3.5.
No, you're not meant to do that.
They're trying to. What do you need? Oh, good.
The number 4 is no.
We should be now 9. So one triangle is 9.
Oh,
So
wait, Mr. Michael, don't, can I just quickly finish, please?
9 plus what will give you
Yeah, we're out of time, so.
Oh.
9 plus
We have 10 minutes.
17.
What are you doing? Leave me now. No.
15.
11:55.
9.
Yeah, let's just finish this question.
Okay, so I got 9. Yes. Right.
Plus
This is exactly what I like. The last one is 33.
13.
Yeah. I'm not gonna get the last. 9, 17, 4, 8. Yes, I got 4. Oops, I got 1. Oh, it's okay.
I'm just
Okay.
saying, we all make mistakes.
Wait a minute. Oh, guys, we need to go. The other classes are coming. Wait a minute.
Mix them up.
Why are you talking with 2 pens like that? Guys, pack up.